Hearty welcome to all knowledge seekers to my channel. This is Dr. Madhusudan Rao Kadapa. In this video, I am going to explain the solution to some problems on number series. Here we have a series 10, 18, 28, 40, 54, blank and 88. And the four answers are given. Now if you observe the formation of this series, the successive difference between the numbers are like 10 and 18 differ by 8, 18 and 28 differ by 10, 28 and 40 differ by 12. So the successive differences are plus 8, plus 10, plus 12, plus 14 and so on. So the next difference should be 16. So 54 plus 16 is 70. So the answer is A. Now check for the next number. The next difference will be 18. So 70 plus 18, 88. Next, here we have 4-digit numbers: 4,832, 5,840, 6,848, blank, 8,864. Now by observation, here in thousands place we have 4, 5, 6, then next will be 7, and this one is 8. So the missing number will have 7 in thousands place. Here in the answers you can find the thousands and hundred places are same for all the answers. So 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, like that. Next we have to focus on the tens and units place. So units and tens place put together, it is 32, 40, 48. Next should be 56 because the successive difference is 8. So 48 plus 8 is 56, then 64. So the answer is B. Next, 2, 15, 41, 80, 132 and blank. Now if you observe the successive differences here, 2 and 15 differ by 13, 15 and 41 differ by 26, 41 and 80 differ by 39. So the successive differences are the multiples of 13. So the next difference will be, here it is 65. So 132 plus 65, it is 197. So the answer is D. Next, 6, 17, 39, blank, 116. So here we have four answers. Now the successive differences are 6 and 17 differ by 11, 17 and 39 differ by 22. So the next difference should be 33. So 39 plus 33, it is 72. Then next will be 44. 72 plus 44 is 116. So 72 is the right answer. This one is somewhat tricky. 1, 1, 4, 8, 9, blank, 16, 64. Here if you take these numbers in the series as pairs, then 1 and 1 are 1 square and 1 cube. 4 and 8 are 2 square and 2 cube. Then 16 and 64 are 4 square and 4 cube. Then this pair should be 9 and the blank should be 3 square and 3 cube. So 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27. So the answer is C. Next, 5,760, 960, 192, blank, 16, 8. If you observe, the successive numbers are formed by dividing the preceding numbers by some value. So here if you observe, the quotients are like 6, 5, 4 and so on. So 5760 divided by 6 is 960. 960 divided by 5 is 192. Then the next number should be 192 divided by 4, which is 48. Then the next one is 48 by 3, 16. Next one is 16 by 2, 8. So the answer is B, 48. Next, 1, 2, 6, 7, 21, 22, 66, blank, then 201. Here, if you take the numbers in pairs, the pairs differ by 1. So 1, 2 differ by 1, 6 and 7 differ by 1, 21, 22 differ by 1, 67 and next number should also differ by 1. So we can easily say that the next number should be 67. Then how the series is formed? Here 2, 1 and 2 differ by 1. So 2 3s are 6. 6 and 7 differ by 1. 7 3s are 21. Then 21, 22 differ by 1. 22 3s are 66. 66 and 67 differ by 1. 67 3s are 201. So that is how the sequence is formed. Next, 48, 24, 96, blank, then 192. Here the numbers are increasing and decreasing alternately. So 48 and 24, that means 48 by 2 is 24 and 24 into 4 is 96. That means we have to divide by 2 and then multiply by 4 to get the next number. So alternately dividing by 2 and multiplying by 4 we will get the sequence. So 96 by 2 is 48. Then the next number is 48 into 4 is 192. So the answer is A. Next, 2, 3, 3, 5, 10, 13, 39, blank, 172, 177. Here also, if you take the numbers in pairs, you can observe that 2 and 3 differ by 1. The next pair is 3 and 5 differ by 2. The next pair 10 and 13 differ by 3. Then the next pair should differ by 4. 39 and the number in the blank should differ by 4. So 39 plus 4 it should be 43. And the next pair differ by 5. 172 and 177 differ by 5. Then let us observe the logic in which the series is formed. Here 2 and 3 differ by 1, so that 1 into 3 is 3. Here 3 and 5 differ by 2, 2 into 5 is 10. 10 and 13 differ by 3, 3 into 13 is 39. 39 and 43 differ by 4, so 43 into 4 is 172. That is how the sequence is formed. Next, 165, 195, 255, 285, blank and 375. In this series, if you observe, the successive differences are 30, 60, 30, 60, like that. So the next difference should be, see here 165 and 195 differ by 30, 195 and 255 differ by 60, 255 and 285 differ by 30. Then the next number should be 285 plus 60, which is 345. And check for the next number is 345 plus 30, it is 347, 375. Next, 7, 26, 63, 124, 215, blank, 511. So if you closely observe these numbers, they are very near to the perfect cubes. So 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 3 cube is 27, minus 1 is 26, 4 cube is 64, minus 1 is 63, 5 cube is 125, minus 1 is 124, 6 cube is 216, minus 1 is 215, then this blank should be 7 cube minus 1, and this is 8 cube minus 1, 512 minus 1, 511. So this is 343 minus 1, 342. So the answer is A. Next, 8, 28, 116, 584. Here, let us check the logic. The series is formed by multiplying with a successive numbers and adding a constant. So 8, then 28. So 8 3s are 24 plus 4 is 28. Then 28 into 4 is 112 plus 4 is 116. In the same way, 116 into 5 plus 4 is 584. Then the next number should be 584 into 6 plus 4, 3508. So the answer is D. So this is how we can solve the problems in arithmetics. So thanks for watching this video. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.